A fraction shows how many equal-sized parts an object is broken up into. You can easily recognize a fraction by the line that is written between the two numbers. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. In this lesson, we will use a circle to represent one whole. The bottom number of a fraction, called the denominator, always shows us into how many equal-sized parts the whole is divided. This circle has 5 equal parts, so we write the number 5 at the bottom of our fraction. The top number of a fraction, called the numerator, always shows the number of parts that you have or the number of parts that you need to count. Many times, those are the parts that are shaded. Now, since 3 is our numerator, we need to shade in 3 of the 5 parts, because that is the number of parts we are supposed to count. This fraction is pronounced 3/5.